We'll guide you through how to change Google Chrome back to English. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason, your Google Chrome has gone and changed to a language you don't understand, and so you want to go and change it back to English. We're going to guide you through how you can do this step by step and guide you through exactly what you need to go and click on, as you probably can't understand the language it's currently in, which is why you're watching this video. So we'll guide you through, don't worry. So in this case, mine is in French, but as I said, it doesn't matter. And there are different places we can go and change this. So make sure it's full guide to the different places where it can be done. So to go and get started, you need to go and head to the top right of Chrome. There you're going to go and find the three dots. Click there and you're going to get a list of options. What you need to do is come all the way down to the bottom. Now, the second option here from the bottom, you're going to see a gear or cog icon. This is the settings. Go and click there. If it's slightly different for you, just go and locate that little gear or cog icon and click on it. We're now in the settings, as you can see. Now, what you need to do is you need to come over to the left and you're going to go and see a list of options. And what we're looking for is we're looking for the languages option. So it's in the second section here, which is the first option. It's got this little language icon, which can help you identify it. So you can go and click there like so. Now, this is where we need to go and potentially go and add the language. So at the top here, you're going to see a list of different languages. You want to go and press the blue button and you want to click there. Now you can go to the top right. Here we can actually go and type in English, so you can go and type it in. Now there are going to be different Englishes. If you can't quite find the right one here, don't worry. We can add any English one for now and go and change it to the right one once you've got this changed, just so we can actually understand what we're doing. So in this case, I'll just go and select English Australia for now, for example, then go and press that blue button at the bottom right. If you've now added it, but you're probably thinking nothing's changed, don't worry. What you then need to do is go and scroll down the list and go and find it, as you can see, and you want to go over to the right and press the three dots. Now you've got quite a few different options here, but what you need to do is go and select this top option. Now, this is going to be displaying in Google Chrome with this language. But to go and actually get it to do that, you need to go over to the right and go and press this blue button. And this is going to go and restart Chrome. So press there, Chrome is going to close and should then go and reopen. Here we are, and it should now be back in English. So if you want to go and change it to the actual one you're trying to use, you can press the three dots in the top right, go down and press settings. Then you can go over to the left and you want to go back to languages. And then you can see I'm using English Australia. I want to use United Kingdom. So what we could then do is come down and I've just got normal English here. So I can then go to the right and select display Chrome in this language like this. Then I'll need to go and relaunch it again. I'll do that in a moment. Now, if you're finding when you go and search for things in Chrome, for example, I'll search hello, you're still finding it's in a different language. For me, this is still French, and I want to go and change this. We can actually go and change the language that Google uses, as that's separate from Chrome. So to do that, once you've gone and search for something, you want to go to the top right and you can go and find your profile icon for your Google account and you can click there. Then what you need to do is go down and locate the second option from the bottom. It's got this little world icon and it will go and say language. You can see this is French, so I can slightly understand it there. We can then go and click on it. We're brought here. You want to come to this top option where the world icon is again, and we can click there. And what you can do is go and type in English. As you can see, we've got the top option here. You can then click on it, then go down to the bottom right and you want to press the button in the right, and that will go and confirm, and it will then refresh, and now it should be back to English. So if I then go and search something again, I could go and type in hello. You then go and see it's now back in English. And if we go back to our Chrome settings, it's back in English as well. So hopefully you've been successful with this. We're changing Google Chrome back to English, including the settings and the Chrome UI, but also Google as well. And so that's it. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got a lot more guides like this to come and loads more on the channel as well, which you can go and check out. So I hope you'd found this useful, and I look forward to help you again with any other tech problems you may have in the future as well. Have an awesome day. Thank you so much for watching, and put a comment down below if you have any suggestions.